In this session, I am solving problems on arithmetic progression as revision problems for the exam. So I have taken two questions. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, find the common difference of an AP whose third term is minus 19 and the 10th term is minus 40 and you have to find the series. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ the common difference of an AP arithmetic progression ಅಲ್ಲಿ common difference D now ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So that means we have to find D. D is not given in the problem. It's given the third term is minus 19 andre third term T3 is equal to minus 19. Third term of an AP is minus 19 and it's given 10th term of an AP is equal to minus 40. So we know the formula. Tn is equal to nth term of an AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Substitute the values given. So in place of Tn, that is nth term, we have third term T3 is equal to A is not known plus n value is 3 minus 1 D common difference is not given in the problem. We write D as it is. So T3 term, third term is equal to minus 19. T3 is minus 19 is equal to A plus 2D. So consider this as equation 1. Then take the 10th term. It's given T10 is equal to A plus n value is 10 minus 1 D. So T10 is equal to minus 40 is equal to A plus 90. Consider this as equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1 na equation 2 inda minus ಮಾಡಿ. So if you subtract equation 1 from equation 2. ಮೊದಲನೇ equation na ಎರಡನೇ equation ಇಂದ minus ಮಾಡಿ. So you take the second equation first. A plus 9D is equal to minus 40 minus subtract equation 1 A plus 2D is equal to minus 19. So plus A minus A will get cancelled. So here 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 will get 7D is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 40 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 19 is equal to minus 21. 40 ಇಂದ 19 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 40 is the larger number. The sign of 40 is minus. So minus 21. So D is equal to minus 21 divided by 7. D is equal to minus 3. So again in the problem they have asked to find out the common difference. So as per the problem what we have solved, the common difference D is equal to minus 3. We have to find the series. ಇವಾಗ series ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to find the first term A. So if you consider any of the two equations given, I'll consider equation 1. Consider equation 1. So equation 1 is A plus 2D is equal to minus 19. Substitute the value of D in the equation. So A is not known. We write A as it is. 2 into D minus 3 is equal to minus 19. So A plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6. This is equal to minus 19. A is equal to minus 19. Shift 6 on the other side. Minus 6 becomes plus 6. A is equal to minus 19 plus 6 is equal to minus 30. So again we got the values of common difference D as minus 3 and the first term A is equal to 13. So the general form of AP is series. AP series na ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? The first term A, the second term will be A plus D, the third term is A plus 2D and the series continues. So first term it's minus 13. Second term A plus D, that is minus 13 minus 3. So you will get minus 16. Third term a plus 2d, if you substitute the value of a and d, in general formally you will be getting minus 19. Therefore, the series is, this is the series of AP. So, this is the first problem, division problem na solve madidini. So, in the problem, common difference kottida. So, first we find the common difference d by taking the terms given, third term and 10th term. We consider the third term as equation 1, 10th term na we consider as equation 2. Then subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we will get the value d. Common difference siಗುತ್ತೆ. So, after getting the common difference, substitute the value of d in any one of the equations. Equation 1 ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, either in equation 1 or equation 2 and find the first term a. Then the general form of the series is a, comma a plus d, comma a plus 2d. Substitute the value of a and d. You will get the arithmetic progression series. So next we move on to the second question. So here the sum of 5th and 10th terms of an AP is 70 and the sum of 9th and 19th term is 122. Find the 35th term. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, the sum of, if you add 5th term and 10th term ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ 70 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 9th term ಮತ್ತೆ 19th term ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the total will be 122. You have to find the 35th term. So given, this is the solution, given the sum of ಅಂದ್ರೆ T5 5th term plus 10th term is equal to 70. Then 9th term plus 19th term is equal to 122. You have to find the 35th term. So I put a question mark. T35 is equal to how much we have to calculate. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ na formula ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The n term of an AP is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So a plus n minus 1d ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ 5th term values ನ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So I'll write here T5 is equal to a plus 4d as per the formula. What is T10? Tn is equal to a plus 90. So ಇದನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get Ta plus 4d plus T10 is a plus 90. So adding both the terms, the total is 70. So ಇದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1a plus 1a is 2a plus 4 plus 9 is 13d is equal to 70. So consider this as equation 1. Next it is given 9th term plus 19th term of AP is equal to 122. Applying the same formula, substituting the values, we get T9 is equal to a plus n minus 1 is 9 minus 1 is 8d. T19 is equal to a plus 80d. If you add both these terms, T9 plus T19, what is T9? A plus 8d plus T19 is a plus 18d. The total of these two terms is 122. 1a plus 1a is 2a plus 8d plus 18d is 26d is equal to 122. Consider this as equation 2. Now the same step what I have done in the previous problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎರಡನೇ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 from equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So what is equation 2? 2a plus 26d is equal to 122 minus what is equation 1? 2a plus 13d is equal to 70. So if you subtract plus 2a minus 2a will get cancelled, plus 26 plus becomes minus here, subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So 26 minus 30 is equal to 13d is equal to ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 122 minus 70 is equal to, if you subtract you will be getting 52 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 122 minus 70 52. So d is equal to, therefore d is equal to 52 divided by 13. d is equal to 13 divided by 52 is equal to 4. 13 ones are 13 fours are 52. The common difference we got is 4. Now consider any of the two equations. Equation 1 ಆದರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಥವಾ equation 2 ಆದರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು equation ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. I am taking equation 1. Consider equation 1. It is 2a plus 13b is equal to 70. Substitute the value of 4 in the equation. So first term namu gottilla, we'll write 2a as it is plus 13 into common difference is 4, that is equal to 70. 2a plus 52, 13 fours are 52 is equal to 70. 2a is equal to 70. Shift plus 32 on the other side, it becomes minus 52. 2a is equal to 70 minus 52 is equal to 18. a is equal to 18 divided by 2. Therefore a is equal to 9. So again we got the common difference 4 and the first term a is 9. So finally what they have asked in the problem alli ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So 35th term na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Now we got the values. We know the common difference as 4 and the first term is 9 and n is equal to 35. So finally therefore we find therefore T35 is equal to, as per the formula nth term Tn is equal to a plus n minus d. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು a plus 34 d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is a? 9 plus 34 into what is d value? It is 4. So 9 plus 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12 and 13 136. So 136 plus 9 is equal to 145. Therefore the 35th term of AD is 145. So here again I repeat, the 5th term is given, 10th term is given. 5th ಮತ್ತೆ 10th term add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the value, total value is equal to 70. 9th term and 19th term na add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ total value is 122. As per the formula, nth formula, Tn formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. n value na substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ T5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a plus 4d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. T10 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a plus 9d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದೆರಡನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 70. 1a plus 1a is 2a plus 4 plus 9 13d is equal to 70. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ equation na consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then again we substitute the value for T9 and T90. Then add the terms, 122 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Consider this as equation 2. Then after solving we will get d value, common difference, then a value, first term, substitute the value for 35th term and we will get 145.